Welcome to iTour.lk. Being experts in tourism in Sri Lanka, we provide customized tours according to your needs and preferences. Tailor-made tour packages to make your dream holiday in Sri Lanka a reality. We can arrange any type of tour for you, including leisure, business, sports, adventure and more. All your outbound tours, air ticketing, travel insurance, visa services and any travel-related matters will never be a hassle for you. Visit www.itour.lk for more information. iTour LK Private Limited. Your journey starts here.